Hey everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. Okay, so today we're going into our first unit of our algo trading starting in less than just over 1 day, 4 hours, or just whatever. But we're starting up tomorrow night, 8 p.m. Standard Time, Tuesday, live, March 15th. Today is Monday, March 14th. So, what are we talking about here? Well, if you've ever wanted to open up your own independent algorithmic based trading business or automated trading business, do not want to use any of the cloud services out there in terms of uh, you have an idea, you put your idea remotely up on a cloud service. Guess what? I'm not saying that some of these services and some of these services don't, but who's to say they're not going to steal your valuable intellectual property, otherwise known as your trading idea? So let's talk about what we got here. So if you come under this little part here, it says read more algo trading anywhere on my blog, it'll take you to a really important page that I've had up for now for quite a while, and a couple of months actually. And what we are doing is we've got various phases that I'll be introducing to help individuals, algorithm based, automated based, even retail traders or even developers, students, or whoever wanting to learn how to build out their own independent trading business. I've been tracking since the last couple of weeks, and I've been seeing some returns, crazy returns of 25% since February 11th till now. As I said, 25% returns in the market in such a short order. You will not find that anywhere else outside of following through algorithmic trading. So this course or course series is going to focus on finding things like that. But first, before we get started, a lot of people don't have strong programming backgrounds or technical backgrounds. So what am I building out here is I've got this page that you're looking at that will introduce you to the various phases. As I said, the first phase we'll be focusing on will be our building blocks to build out your trading infrastructure. And again, that is so that you own and that you control, so you don't have to worry about things, as I said, putting them up on cloud-based solutions. Also, as part of this, people ask, well, why would I want to learn from you? Why are you distinctive or unique? Well, all my strategies are going to be three phases. Each one will be a strategy or can be used as a strategy, or it can develop into various strategies from each phase. Each phase also will be focusing primarily on different asset classes. So our first phase, which will be starting very shortly in May 10th, that will focus on arbitrage and pair trading for equity, including obviously stocks, ETFs, indices, and if you really wanted, mutual funds. So that's the first phase. The second phase that I'll be introducing, which I'm going to actually start uploading fairly soon, and concerns with futures and options. Both these phases that I'm talking about will be using fundamental analysis because everybody's new at it, including me, especially from the trading point of view. Is fundamentals easy? You hear about fundamental analysis in the news reports on CNBC, Bloomberg. They use these all the time. I'll also be peppering in the technical analysis to confirm your trading decisions on your market entries and market exits. And again, this is for equities, futures, options. It doesn't stop there. The third phase, which will be really important because I just put up some charts last night on this stuff works and this stuff can move like crazy in terms of volatility using Forex trading and using macroeconomic views from, let's say, central bankers, from industry reports or government data, or so on and so forth. These move markets and specifically move currency markets and currency pairs, and those volatility movements is what we're after. So I'll be doing a whole phase based on that, obviously for Forex. Now, this options and futures trading can also focus on things like fixed income, swaps. I mean, you're getting into really big boy stuff, which a lot of retail traders, including me, don't have the capital for. So we're keeping everything simple. So again, the unique thing that I'm bringing on the table is the fundamental. And again, all of this starts again March 15th. Here is our schedule right here. Meetup events, everything's been posted. So starting tomorrow, we'll be talking about programming languages and all, just a general overview on what language works, what doesn't, and the pros and cons of each major language. If it's a prototyping language for research, is it an actual language that you can use for trading purposes, including your order management or your trading execution? And then the following which will be obviously focusing on March 22nd, going to be introducing Python, and then from there we start moving into database, technical trading, so on and so forth. And it's pretty well packed with goodness, and it's pretty affordable. All right, so you're probably going to be asking about pricing. There's different pricing available. We just have our general elite, which is the monthly. You just pay, I believe it's $97 a month, which is pretty affordable. But we've also got two other deals that have been pushing. The smarter people really take full advantage of it. If you come under this page here, you will find the pricing options, which are right here. And where am I looking for here? Okay. There we go, pricing options. Okay, so we have two other pricing options. I just showed you the monthly 97 per month. We also got 6 bonus months for free if you decide to do an annual membership. That's pretty affordable to be actually. In fact, it's like $600 in savings, 6 bonus months, blah blah blah, and that's fairly popular. And then of course we have our last option, which I think is the best for what you're getting with source code that you own and control, plus all the different strategies for forever and ever. Amen. You get the 1 year annual that you would typically pay out, and you're still not paying that rate on top if you get the 24 months for free. So that saves you pretty well $2,400 with extra two bonus years. 2 bonus years. That's pretty generous. So people go for that as well. So those are the deals. Again, we start that up on, let me just show you our first week, which is tomorrow. And that will be part of our general meetup. And these are the topics we'll be talking about here. And people are signing up, hopefully. And we'll go from there. And we already have the schedule for the first phase already laid out. Here's our schedule for the first phase right here, every Tuesday, right up until May 3rd, I believe. And then after that, we move to our first phase, which again is the phase I just talked about on our pair trading and arbitrage. So I'll start up the week after this building block phase ends, which is, I believe, May 3rd. So that's where we're at. Again, this starts tomorrow. The longer you wait, the longer, the more value you kind of lose, just due to the fact that the whole idea of these live events is exactly that, live events where we could do a Q&A. It gets recorded, it gets posted in my lessons, which are already posted. And again, new things can come out of those as well. So please join us if you're interested in learning about independent trading businesses and how they get started. And that was all courtesy started by my friend from his first book, Dr. Ernie Chan. Over and out, and I hope to see you on the event tomorrow and each other one on Tuesdays as well. Have a good day. Later.